1. Quercetin has many common sources like apples, green tea, red wine, St. John's wort, and so on. It's essentially a plant pigment. 2. As inflammation is a common trouble that an obese person faces, quercetin tends to tackle it pertaining to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. 3. Not much research has been conducted on quercetin's role as a weight loss ingredient. Citrus bioflavonoids. 1. You get citrus bioflavonoids from citrus fruits. These are very rich in antioxidants. As antioxidants, tackling oxidative stress is their primary role. 2. It also causes swollen blood vessels and body parts. As the swelling subsides, the blood flow becomes better. 3. A consistent consumption of bioflavonoids strengthens the immune system. This shields your body against allergic reactions. Besides, it also decreases inflammation. This is just one part of Meticore's proprietary blend. Along with this, Meticore includes a blend of vitamins such as vitamin B1, chromium, and citrus bioflavonoids, etc. From what we can see, when combined, these ingredients make for a strong supplement that prevents inflammation, raises body temperature, promotes weight loss, and even provides you with essential vitamins and minerals. Right now, there is no better weight loss supplement on the market than Meticore Metabolism Booster Pill. Click here to get the best available pricing with the biggest discount savings automatically applied to your order today. Should I purchase Meticore? Without getting too sanguine, we'd say yes. Here's why. All natural. Meticore is built using all natural ingredients and has shown no reported side effects. This makes it worth the investment alone. Owing to the lack of side effects, it makes it a very attractive deal for people looking to shed their extra weight with minimal effort. Reliability. Meticore has thousands of positive reviews online at various publications. With so many positive reviews, it is difficult to deny that it is one of the market's best weight loss products. 60-day money-back guarantee. The manufacturers are so confident about their product that they've slapped a 60-day no-questions-asked money-back guarantee to the product. This speaks a lot about the veracity of their claims. Ease of consumption. Meticore doesn't come with dietary restrictions or extra requirements. It's just a capsule you take once daily. You're not forced into a cycle of extraneous exercises, nor are you asked to refrain from eating what you like. Stimulant-free. Meticore is completely stimulant-free. That means no caffeine, no taurine, and nothing that gives you a temporary energy rush and then ends in a crash, causing fatigue. The natural ingredients of Meticore ensure that your body's energy levels are increased naturally and stay that way. Weight loss and vitamins. Most weight loss supplements rely on stimulants for appetite suppression, both of which can cause more harm than good. Meticore works by increasing your body's core temperature and kickstarts your slow metabolism naturally. Not only this, it is